Hello everybody. Today, me and my family are going to be going apple and pear picking. I am so excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, we are very excited. And by the way, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notifications, like this video, and yeah, let's get to it.
I'm so excited.
So excited. So the person said that we can only go onto where the two red arrows are. So there are the pears and the apples. So these are pears, the green ones. So
Cut in?
Like this one.
Mama.
Or
this one
two as well. Yeah, I'm
It's
very
big.
excited.
I'm trying to
So let's go try look for some good ones, and we'll put them in the bucket.
Oh, it's very windy. How do you get this out? Yay, got one. It's big.
Huh?
Now
I want this one.
I'm gonna move somewhere else. What? I can't even pick one out. I only picked one out. Oh, I see one.
Oh my gosh, I just picked these two together. I was trying to pick one of them, then I got both of them.
I got both of them.
They seem pretty good to me. I think I'll just put them in the bag. And I also got this one as well.
Oh God.
So this is another variety of pear. So it's not a green one, but it's a brown one. And these are my favorite. And I don't even know what the name is. So yeah, and this is a tree for the brown ones. And then over like far over there, it's the green for the green ones. Okay, I found another one, so I'm gonna pick. Oh my gosh!
I'm gonna.
Whoa.
Here's
Does that
the
look like
bucket.
a good one to you? I think that's good. I'll put it in the bag.
This is another type of pear. I'm gonna get one. Ah! Nice, bro. Here, Mom.
So I found this ladder and I decided to climb up it, and there are lots of pears here that I think I can get. So we're gonna, oh my gosh, it's so high. Is it, let me check if this is a good one.
Daddy, where's
No,
Mama?
That's not a good one.
Okay.
Let me see. Oh, there's good ones over there, but I don't think I can get them. It's a bit too far. How about this one? Do you think this is a good one? I think that's good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. Now I'm gonna try pick another one. Let's see if I can find some. Wait.
Oh, I found a good one. Wait.
Now let's pick some
there's
apples.
a hole in it.
Let's see if I can find a good. How about this one? Let me. Bug. Okay. Anyways, let's try find another one. I think this one is pretty good. Do you think this is good? Yeah, that looks like a pretty good one. Because he said to pick the pink and red ones. And I think this is like a pinkish reddish. Don't you think? Yeah, I'll put that one in the basket. And the reason why I screamed was because there was this big bug on the apple. How about here? This looks like a good one. Don't you reckon this is a good one? Yeah, okay. I'll put this in the... Whoa, look at how big this one. This is probably the biggest one I've found. And look at the other big ones. They're just lying on the floor. It's sort of like a waste. But look at how big this is. Massive. Pear. Look at how big this apple is.
Look at this tree. Come. Mommy, come. I'm gonna go get one. Which one? This one?
Sure.
Here. That's not how I get it. Well, I just twist mine. Hey, you just pull yours. I'm gonna get mine. Oh, look here. Come. It's a big one. I'm gonna pull it off. There's a bug on it! Oh, that was scary. I'm gonna try to get different. This one. This one's nice. Ew, the bottom's so dirty.
Look at this. There's so many apples that it weighs the branches down, and it causes them to like droop down because of the weight of the apples.
They're so big.
Oh, look at this one. That's pretty good. It's red. Cherry red.
Nope.
Yeah, that's red.
Look at this one then. Look, it's a big feather. Look, there's a lot of apples on it. Some of your apples are yellow.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Oh.
So I just climbed up this tree, and there are lots of really good pears up here, but I don't think I can reach. But I can see like lots of good ones, like that one over there. I probably cannot reach that one. Let's try. Okay. Get down now. Okay.
I don't like being on it.
So as you can see, my brother is on the ladder. Oh, he just went down. Ah, he just went down. But we're about to go and pay for our pears and apples. And by the way, if you wanted to see Pierre on the ladder, he was climbing on it. So we're gonna go pay now. So let's go, guys. Come on, you wanna have a turn as well? He waved over this. You okay? Don't scare the bird, please. So we're about to go pay now, and then we're gonna go back home. So I want to thank you guys for watching and for watching this far of the video. And I hope you enjoyed watching me and my family pick some apples and pears. See you guys. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.